Asha. Today I am drawing picture of Nobita and Shizuka. Let's draw and paint with me. Now let's paint with me. Wow, this Nobita drawing is looking so beautiful. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Wow, this is looking so beautiful. looking so beautiful. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
Wow, this is looking so beautiful.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
See you on next video. Take care. Bye bye.